Ever been tearing through a muddy, rock-strewn off-road course in Overpass 2, absolutely dominating the competition, only to wonder, man, I wish my friend on Xbox could experience this alongside me? But wait, can they? It's a question that plagues many gamers in this interconnected world. Is Overpass 2 cross-platform? Today, we're diving deep into that very question, uncovering the truth about Overpass 2's crossplay capabilities and what it means for you and your friends. In an age where gaming communities span across multiple devices, from powerful PCs to sleek PlayStation and Xbox consoles, the ability to play together regardless of your chosen hardware has become a highly sought-after feature. It's not just a convenience. It's a game-changer for social gaming, breaking down barriers and expanding your potential multiplayer pool. So, when a new racing simulator like Overpass 2 hits the scene, focused on the intense technical challenge of off-road vehicle handling, the cross-platform question inevitably arises. Can PC players race against PlayStation users? Can Xbox Series X/S owners battle it out with their friends on PlayStation 5? Let's get into it. First, let's establish what Overpass 2 actually is. Released on September 28, 2023, Overpass 2 is a unique off-road racing simulation developed by Neopica and published by Nacon. Unlike your typical high-speed arcade racer, Overpass 2 emphasizes precision, strategy, and careful navigation over treacherous terrain. You're not just about hitting the gas. You're managing differentials, understanding vehicle articulation, and picking the perfect line to overcome natural and artificial obstacles like rocks, tree trunks, and deep mud. It features a robust career mode, single-player races across 30 routes in 5 distinct regions, and a garage filled with over 30 official vehicles from manufacturers like Polaris, Yamaha, Arctic Cat, and Suzuki. It's a game that demands a different kind of skill, rewarding patience and technical prowess. Now, to the core of our discussion, its cross-platform functionality. The good news, the fantastic news, is a resounding yes. Overpass 2 does indeed support cross-platform multiplayer. This is a huge win for the community, meaning that players on different platforms can seamlessly compete against each other. Think about what this means for your gaming sessions. No longer are you limited to friends who own the exact same console as you. If you're on PC, you can challenge your buddy on their PlayStation 5. If you're rocking an Xbox Series X, you can go head-to-head with someone on PC. This significantly widens the pool of players you can race against, ensuring more active multiplayer lobbies and a more vibrant online community. This cross-platform support isn't just a basic "can you connect" feature. It means that the game is designed to bridge the gap between different hardware ecosystems, allowing for a truly unified online experience. When you jump into an online multiplayer race in Overpass 2, the game's matchmaking system will consider players across all supported platforms: PC, PlayStation 5, and Xbox Series X/S. This maximizes the chances of quickly finding a race and ensures you're always encountering new competitors. The implementation of cross-platform play in Overpass 2 is a testament to the evolving landscape of video games. Developers are increasingly recognizing the value of connecting players regardless of their chosen hardware. It fosters a larger and more engaged player base, which in turn benefits everyone. More players mean more competitive races, a broader range of skill levels to test yourself against, and a greater sense of community within the game. It's important to remember that while Overpass 2 supports cross-platform multiplayer, this typically refers to the ability to play online together. Cross-progression, where your saves and unlocked content transfer between platforms, is a separate feature and is not always guaranteed, although it's becoming more common. For Overpass 2, the primary focus for cross-platform is the multiplayer experience itself, enabling those head-to-head and competitive online sessions. So, how do you take advantage of this cross-platform capability in Overpass 2? It's usually quite straightforward. When you enter the multiplayer section of the game, the matchmaking system will automatically look for available players across all compatible platforms. You likely won't need to do anything special to enable crossplay. It's typically a default setting. If you're looking to invite specific friends who are on different platforms, the game will usually provide an in-game friend system or a way to search for players by their in-game ID, allowing you to connect and create private lobbies. This ensures that even if you and your friends are on different systems, you can still easily team up or challenge each other directly. The decision by the developers to include cross-platform multiplayer from launch is a smart move. It future-proofs the game to an extent, ensuring that as console generations shift and more players join different ecosystems, the community for Overpass 2 can remain cohesive and active. It also makes the game a more attractive proposition for new players, knowing they won't be isolated to a smaller player base on their specific platform. In essence, Overpass 2 embraces the modern gaming ethos of connectivity. It understands that the joy of a challenging off-road race is amplified when you can share that experience with as many people as possible, regardless of the gaming machine they choose to pilot. So, next time you're debating whether to pick up Overpass 2, and the question of cross-platform play pops into your head, rest assured, you can indeed join your friends in the mud, rocks, and thrills no matter what platform they're on. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.